Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how can you fix Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk has an MBR partition table on EFI systems. Windows can only be installed to GPT disk without erasing your hard drive. So as you can see, I get the error. So you will need to restart your PC. So after you have restarted your PC, run Rufus. If you don't have this program, the link is going to be in the description. So run the program as an administrator. Here you select your USB drive. Click the select button to locate your ISO and select it. As you can see, the program automatically selected GPT on the partition scheme. But you're going to select MBR. Now, you may be wondering why MBR? Wasn't the error saying that the disk has an MBR partition table? Well, yes, but for some reason, when you select MBR, the error will go away. After it finishes, restart your PC and run your Windows installation. So as you can see, I don't get the error. Now I can install Windows. So that is it. Make sure you comment, like, share and subscribe.